The Dell Display Manager is a free software application used to configure your Dell monitor to maximize its potential. With Dell Display Manager, you can manage a single monitor or a group of monitors. Use its features to customize your monitor, organize and manage the screen display and its settings to enhance your monitor's performance and improve your efficiency. Dell Display Manager only works with select Dell-branded monitors, and it does not work with Dell laptop displays. Visit the Dell website to check out the current list of models supported by the Dell Display Manager. Click the link shown for quick access to the site. To install the Dell Display Manager application straight from Dell, go to dell.com/support and enter your monitor's service tag, which is located on the back of the monitor. Click on Drivers and Downloads and select the appropriate operating system. Scroll down and locate the Dell Display Manager application and click Download. After the download is complete, navigate to your Downloads folder and click on the file you've just downloaded to run it. Accept the changes and follow the on-screen instructions to complete the setup. After the installation is successful, you have the option to tick the box to launch the Dell Display Manager automatically when done. Click Finish to exit the setup. After the application is installed, to manually launch the Dell Display Manager, Windows search and select Dell Display Manager or click on its app icon. If this is the first time you've ever opened it, click to give your consent and continue. Let's start with the app settings, which is accessed in the upper right-hand corner. Here you can change the application language, choose to auto-load at startup, enable on-screen notifications, check for software and firmware updates, and decide about the use of diagnostic and usage data. Going down the menu list, use brightness and contrast controls to adjust the amount of screen brightness for your Dell monitor and the level of contrast. Set it once manually or schedule when you want changes to occur. Input source is where you change the current source of video being used with your monitor, depending on the monitor to system connection. From within the Color tab, you can set the color mode according to what you're watching, such as a movie or a sporting event. Using Auto, you can set dedicated color modes for the specific apps running on your system. If an app you want to configure is not listed, click Add Application to locate and select the ones you want from the list and click OK. Display allows you to set some important screen features: the resolution and refresh rate, the scale of text, and other on-screen items, as well as the orientation of the panel. Easy Arrange gives you layout choices for how your apps are shown on screen. Similar to Windows 11 layouts, you can select different spots on the screen for different running applications, with the added advantage of being able to arrange even more windows. Create specific layout profiles for a certain launch time and for specific apps or documents. Set dedicated hotkeys to activate different layout combinations. Personalize lets you configure the menu launcher with the ability to establish hotkeys for launching menus. The Others menu options include power configurations, the option to reset your monitor to default settings, and using application settings across connected monitors. So download the app and personalize your settings to get the most out of your Dell monitor. Have questions or need help? Contact us through social media for assistance. Visit the Dell Community Forum to see what others have to say about the subject. Become a subscriber today to get access to all of our support tutorials and be notified when we post future content. Thanks for watching.